Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence, Data Science in Dr. S.N.S. Rajaswami College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to take the class about Union in C. Union in C are the user-defined data types that allow different type of data to be stored in the same memory location, but only one at a time. They are similar to structure, but the key difference lies in how many memories is allocated. Union in C user-defined data type that allow the different types of data to be stored in the same memory location but only one at a time. There are similar to structure but key difference in how many memories is allocated. Next one, introduction to union. In union is a user-defined data type that contain element of the different data type like structure but unlike structure. All the members in the C union are stored in the same memory location. Due to this, only one member can store the data at a given point of the time. And the value of union variable can be accessed using the dot operator. A value can be assigned to the union variable using assignment operator that is equal to. In union, all the variables share the same memory, so only one variable can store value at the same time. Here, using the struct is the structure keyword. ABC is the structure name. Int A, the memory location is allocated and character B is memory location. But here is union is the union name. Keyword ABC is the union name. Character and then integer all the same memory location. The special type of the allowing storing the different type of same data type. Only one member can be accessed at the time. Next one, defining union. Memory sharing, all the members occupy the same location. Only one active member at a time. Assigning the new members override the previous value. The declaring variable after the union, here syntax is union and then union name. Union name is user defined name and then data type member and data type member 2. Like how many data members is we need, we declare the types, end with holy braces, close with, end with semicolon. The structure is closed. Combined the definition is after the union definition, union data id and combine the variable. Here for example, union is the keyword, detail is the union name. Here we declare the id and character name, float, salary, end close with the semicolon. The union will be closed. Next one, declaring the union variables. Once union is defined, you can create variable of that union type, store the different type of data in the same memory space. The union in the C user defined data type similar to the structure. All the members share the shared memory location. This means the union can store only one member value at the time, making in the memory efficient. Union variable can be declared after or along with the union definition. Each union variable has memory equal to the longest member. Write one the member, overwrite the value of the previous member. Here we collect the students record, students id, character name, float. The here where union variable name s1 and s2. Next one, union examples. Here we will create the union. Union name is the job. User definition, we will declare the variable double salary, integer work number, close with the union variable name is j. Then go to the main function. Union data define the type of name, it has the three members, double, integer and then float. String character we also used. And then we will assign the salary is the 12.3 is the floating value or double value. The worker number is the integer number. Just print the salary, and the salary is the 12.3 and then workers number is 100. It will return these values. Next one, difference between structure and union. Both structure and union are the user-defined data types in C used to group variable of the different types. The main difference is memory location and then usage. Next one, advantages of union. Memory efficient, single memory block of all the members. A flexible store different type of dynamically useful in the low memory environment, and example for the data conversion device driver and then etc. Next, limitations of the union. Only one member holds the valid of the data. For example, union data union is the keyword. Your data is the union name. D is the variable name. Here we declare the value is 10 and then print of undefined variable d dot f. So no type safe is variable. Require careful member to access the avoid errors. Thank you.